What do you call a dinosaur who's a noisy sleeper? A tyrannosaurus. Stick around to learn how to draw a T-Rex dinosaur. Let's start by drawing the T-Rex's head. Save room at the bottom of your paper for the body. Next, draw the body. Make sure not to connect the lines at the bottom. Then, draw the right arm and leg. Feel free to take your time with this step. Once you're done, draw the arm and leg on the left side. We're almost done. Last, we're going to draw one side of the T-Rex's face. This will look like they're looking sideways. Draw an eye, nostril, and the mouth. Great job! For more directed drawings, head to twinkl.com.